groundbreaking AI clones. The company offering users the ability to create digital versions of themselves, from company CEOs to YouTubers and celebrities that...
Today, we're going to create an avatar that looks and moves like me.
Clone Robotics has just unveiled something truly unbelievable. Super intelligent androids that are revolutionizing the way we think about AI and robotics. These lifelike machines don't just look human, they think, learn, and adapt like us. In today's video, we're diving into this groundbreaking technology and its potential impact on our future. Who is Clone Robotics? Clone Robotics is a groundbreaking company at the forefront of innovation in artificial intelligence and robotics. Known for their ambitious approach, they aim to bridge the gap between humans and machines by developing androids that closely mimic human intelligence, behavior, and physicality. Founded by a team of visionary engineers and AI specialists, Clone Robotics has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology to create robots that are not only functional, but also lifelike. Their focus is on combining advanced AI algorithms with cutting-edge robotics to produce machines capable of performing complex tasks, understanding human emotions, and adapting to dynamic environments. Clone Robotics is recognized for its ability to merge technical precision with human-like characteristics, making their robots suitable for diverse industries like healthcare, education, customer service, and manufacturing. With their latest unveiling of super-intelligent androids, Clone Robotics has entered a new era of robotics, where machines can learn, interact, and even anticipate human needs. These androids are more than tools, they're companions, assistants, and partners in innovation, poised to redefine how humanity interacts with machines. Clone Robotics is truly leading the charge into the future. What makes these androids super intelligent? The androids developed by Clone Robotics are not just advanced, they are redefining the concept of intelligence in machines. These super intelligent androids are powered by next-generation artificial intelligence, capable of processing information faster and more efficiently than the human brain. Their ability to learn, reason, and adapt sets them apart from traditional robots. At the core of their intelligence lies a powerful AI system designed to continuously improve through machine learning. These androids can analyze their environment, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on real-time data. For instance, they can navigate complex tasks, solve problems, and even predict human needs before being explicitly instructed. What truly makes these androids revolutionary is their ability to perform tasks with a high level of independence. They can simulate human-like thinking, allowing them to handle situations that require creativity or critical decision-making. Whether it's managing a high-pressure work environment, responding to emergencies, or interacting with people on a personal level, these machines are built to excel. This level of superintelligence doesn't just enhance functionality, it creates robots that feel like genuine extensions of human capability, lifelike features that are too real to believe. One of the most astonishing aspects of Clone Robotics' super-intelligent androids is their lifelike appearance and behavior. These androids are designed to replicate human physicality so closely that distinguishing them from real people is becoming increasingly difficult. From their realistic facial expressions to fluid, natural movements, these robots redefine what we expect from artificial beings. Clone Robotics has developed advanced synthetic skin that mimics the texture, elasticity, and responsiveness of human skin. Coupled with precise motor functions, the androids can perform subtle gestures like smiling, blinking, or even frowning, creating a truly human-like presence. Their eyes are equipped with high-resolution sensors, allowing them to maintain eye contact and convey emotions such as empathy or curiosity. But the realism doesn't stop at appearances. These androids are also equipped with emotional AI, enabling them to detect and respond to human feelings. They can interpret facial expressions, voice tone, and body language, adjusting their responses to create natural interactions. Whether assisting customers, caring for patients, or simply engaging in conversation, these robots are designed to connect with people in ways that feel authentic and intuitive. Practical applications. How these androids will transform industries. The super-intelligent androids developed by Clone Robotics are set to revolutionize industries across the globe. With their human-like capabilities and advanced AI, these robots are opening new doors in healthcare, education, customer service, and beyond. In healthcare, androids can assist in surgeries, perform precise diagnostic tests, and provide round-the-clock patient care. Imagine an android nurse capable of monitoring vital signs, responding to emergencies, and offering emotional support to patients, all with unparalleled efficiency and empathy. This could drastically improve healthcare delivery and make quality care more accessible. In education, these androids can serve as intelligent tutors, adapting their teaching methods to individual students' needs. They can provide personalized instruction, answer complex questions, and offer support in multiple languages, transforming how knowledge is delivered. In customer service, these androids can handle queries with human-like interaction, ensuring a seamless experience for customers while reducing operational costs. Industries like manufacturing and logistics can also benefit, as these robots are capable of performing physically demanding or repetitive tasks with unmatched precision. The possibilities are limitless. Clone Robotics androids are not just tools, they are collaborators, poised to redefine how industries operate and innovate. The debate, friend or threat? As Clone Robotics superintelligent androids become more integrated into society, they raise important ethical and societal questions. While the potential benefits of these robots are undeniable, the debate over whether they are a friend or a threat is intensifying. On one hand, these androids can improve efficiency and quality of life. They can perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or labor-intensive, reducing human risk and freeing up people for more creative and strategic roles. In healthcare, they could provide life-saving assistance, and in education, they could offer personalized learning experiences. Their emotional intelligence allows them to interact meaningfully with people, offering support in ways that were once thought impossible for machines. However, on the other hand, there are concerns about job displacement. As androids take on roles traditionally filled by humans, many fear widespread unemployment in industries like customer service, healthcare, and manufacturing. The rise of superintelligent robots also raises questions about privacy, control, and accountability. Could androids, with their ability to learn and adapt, become too autonomous for our comfort? How will we ensure they don't pose a risk to human safety? As we continue to develop these technologies, balancing their incredible potential with careful regulation and ethical consideration will be key to ensuring they remain beneficial rather than a threat. A glimpse into the future. Clone Robotics is just getting started, and their vision for the future is as bold as it is revolutionary. The unveiling of their superintelligent androids is only the beginning of a journey toward creating machines that seamlessly integrate into every aspect of human life. The company is already working on the next generation of androids, with plans to enhance their adaptability, autonomy, and human-like features. Future models may include self-repairing capabilities, allowing them to detect and fix internal issues without human intervention, making them even more reliable and long-lasting. Clone Robotics also aims to develop androids with even deeper emotional intelligence, capable of forming meaningful relationships with humans, whether as caregivers, companions, or collaborators. The future is here, and Clone Robotics' superintelligent androids are paving the way for a new era in technology. What do you think? Are these robots a friend to humanity? Or could they be a threat? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.
Thank you for watching Top AI. See you in the next AI story.